With the love we share, there's nothing to hide. Oh, Coles on the go, we're living the dream. Family forever, we're a team.
Welcome, and thank you for watching Coles on the Go. Today we're going to talk about the Cambridge Center. The Cambridge Center was built in 1973, but at that time it was called John Galt Mall. In 1995, the new owners renamed it Cambridge Center. There is over 137 stores and services. We are going to showcase some of our favorite things to do. One of those things, well, at least for me and the kids, I know shopping is always number one for the wives, is the Cineplex Theater, which was opened in 1998. At that time, it had 10 screens. When it was remodeled in 2005 to include stadium seating, one of the theaters was removed. The smallest theater has 111 seats, while the largest has 316. This location is unique as it is fully self-serve. You grab your own popcorn, nachos, and even pour your own drinks. It's a little confusing at first as you're not sure what to do, but you do get used to it. Next, we're going to talk about Kingpin Cambridge. There is no direct entrance from the mall into Kingpin, so you will have to either park in front of the location, which is in the back of the mall, or you can exit the mall at entrance 5, which is close to Urban Behavior. Kingpin Cambridge was opened in 2018. Today we decided to play their upscale bowling experience, which features 16 lanes of 10-pin bowling. And while you are bowling, you can enjoy live sports playing on the large screens in the background. The bowling experience is unique, as you don't have to play traditional bowling. They have many types of games to play. We decided to play Angry Bird for the first game. In this game, you collect stars. The amount of stars you collect will depend on how many pins are knocked down and how many birds are used. After that game, we played a classic game of bowling. Overall, it was a lot of fun. If you ever start getting hungry while you're bowling, they do have pub-style food and drink options to order. After bowling, you can enjoy a game of laser tag. They have a variety of missions and player modes to choose from. One cool feature they have is you'll always know which team is winning, as the entire arena will light up the winning team's color. Each game can have up to 25 players. If you have young kids, they can enjoy the multi-level play structure, which is currently $11.95 a kid. Lastly, and probably our kids' favorite, is the gaming center. They have all kinds of games to choose from, like claw machines, virtual reality, and ticket games to win prizes. Next stop was Stuffy Riders, which is my daughter's favorite. At this place, you rent an electric plush animal to ride around the mall. There is no age restrictions as long as a parent is supervising. There is a weight restriction, which is 300 pounds, so your kids can enjoy one while you enjoy another, or you can team up. The cost is $9 for the first 10 minutes, and then 59 cents per minute after. We normally end up riding for 30 minutes, which is $20.80 plus tax.
Yeah, Coles on the go, always on the move. With love in our hearts, we got nothing to prove. Coles on the go, together we'll find home is wherever we are.
The last thing we did was F1 Speed. This is an indoor go-kart track, which was originally the ice rink. This new attraction has electric go-karts that can get up to 45 kilometers per hour, and each race is 12 laps with up to 10 cars racing. They have two types of races. One is for juniors, which is ages 8 to 13, and an adult race for 14 plus. You must buy a membership to race, which is $9 a year. After that, you can buy 1 to 50 races. If you don't feel like racing, or you have time to waste before your race begins, then you can enjoy the Paddock Lounge. The way to get there is you go up the stairs, which is near the bathrooms. At the Paddock Lounge, you can enjoy some food and drinks while overlooking the races, or you can play some of their many arcade games they have.
Adventure's calling, we're on our way, making memories with every new day. No matter where we go, we're never alone, 'cause we're coals on the go, we're on our way. Coals on the go, wheels keep turning through the highs and the lows. Hearts are burning from coast to coast, we'll take the ride. With the love we share, there's nothing to hide. Oh, coals on the go, we're living the dream. Family forever, we're a team. From the city lights to the mountaintops, we roll through the fields and never stop. Laughing all the way, together we're strong. With the open road, we can't go wrong. Every mile we travel, we find our song. Side by side, where we all belong. No matter where we go, we're never alone, 'cause we're coals on the go, we're heading home. Coals on the go.
Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it, and please subscribe to my channel, as we will be uploading more videos in the future.